Jakom mar duol mochung' ne yiero pacho ka Erestus Ethekon osingo ni yiero ibiro tim e yo mobidhore kane olose log tich mar duol no e kar chung' od bura ma Kasipul e gweng' ma Kosele. Ethekon ne ojiwo apisas duto mabiro tayo yiero mondo ket bidhruok e ong'ala manyime ka bende okwedo weche mawachore ni nyalo ti kod IEBC e rocho ratiro mar jogo ombulu. Kamae kaka noloso.
My main interest is for the people of Kasipul to turn around that narrative that has been so far associated with Kasipul as an area that is volatile, that is prone to violence, as we witnessed when we started the campaign. We did take action as the new commission because we have zero tolerance on any election malpractice, including violence, because our constitution decrees that elections must be free from harassment, violence, intimidation, and of course malpractices such as bribery. The remaining few hours will be very important for us to continue maintaining that peace and to allow us to complete the final preparations so that then tomorrow we have the first voters arrive at the polling stations when we open as early as possible, the usual time. As long as there are malpractices that will come to our attention in the way of a formal complaint or petition, we will deal with them.